Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Here we are. It's Sunday and I've got all my goodies here. Except I do need to get a towel to dry off my hands. Just grab my Lancaster towel here real quick. And today's shave, I'm sure you've seen it in the description there, or the title. It's going to be Cane by PAA. And this is the CK1. Oh yes. And this definitely is a peppermint smell. Peppermint, and it does have a dry down of a barbershop smell. Not real heavy, but just kind of light. And today I'm going to be using the Prickly Pear pre-shave. Now I have only used this a few times, but today I'm feeling like I need to do that. And the texture of this is very similar to the Star Jelly. And it does have a little bit of a smell to it. Kind of reminds me of, remember when you were a kid? Probably 6 or 7, and you got that weird goo gel in the, I don't know what it was called, but that's kind of what it smells like. Maybe that's the prickly pear. I don't know. It kind of has that goo smell to me. All right. What else am I going to talk about? Because I don't rehearse these things. I just put my stuff down and get on here and try to share my experience with you. Today's razor is going to be the stainless steel dual open comb by Phoenix. And I just got this. This was one of those, I don't think it was released on Black Friday. I think it might have been Monday. But I was looking forward to getting that razor and trying it. I know I have the copper, and so it's probably going to perform the same, but I do like stainless. I'm going to be using the Astra Superior Platinum Green Blade. It comes in this package. And there's what the blade looks like. I'm going to load that into the top cap without cutting my fingers. Need to grab the handle again. And this does have some weight to it. Oh yeah. Blade is spot on. Beautiful. I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice bowl. I used 1/4 teaspoon. And this soap here, it was thirsty. I used 15 milliliters of water. And I am using the Atomic Rocket shave brush. Once again, I do not have my contacts in. I know it makes you no difference, but I can't really see myself. So if I do that, I will know later in my editing, and there's nothing I can do to change it. So I have 3 days worth of growth, and this stuff is just buttery smooth. Let's go ahead and warm the razor up here. Maybe we'll come in for a little close-up so you can see. Oh yeah. Effortlessly plowing through the stubble. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. I do have a little spot right there that I don't know if I had a hair or a mole or something the other day, and it seemed like I got it. I do like the knurling on this. You know, materials all feel different in the hand. Did I say I had the copper or brass? I might have made a mistake when I was speaking earlier, but the copper does have a little bit different feel in the hand. Wow, that's nice. Let's go ahead and get some more lather on for my second pass. Did anybody see my sneak peek video on Instagram? You can check it out. My username is Lawrence_1MD, or maybe not, because I think that may have changed. I'm full of bad info today. All right, we're going to go across the grain. I will put the correct username for Instagram. I've been trying to spice up the videos a little bit, grab some new viewers. It's always nice, right? You can hear those trouble spots. The reason it's a trouble is because in that area, the hair just goes all kinds of different directions. And so whenever I'm shaving that area, it's like some areas it's like going against the grain, and some spots is going with the grain. So no matter which way I try to shave that, once I get into that area, it's just all the way wrong. I think it's more so this side. I don't know, that side too. They're both wrong. I'm gonna go get cleaned up real quick. I'll be right back. Well, off camera, I did a cold water rinse, followed up with the ice cube, and I'm gonna now apply the Cane Aftershave Splash. And this does have the original restrictor in it. Beautiful. If that doesn't scream Christmas, nothing will. And I'm going to follow that up with some Frostbite Star Jelly. Did I mention I used my Lancaster black sheep towel? Alright, wow. That's nice. That splash does have a little bit of menthol in it. You guys know I love menthol. On Will It Shave Wednesday, I'm going to have some shave cream that has some menthol in it. Alright guys, well, thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate all the returning viewers and any of the new subscribers. And that menthol is getting in my eyes. Well, I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You guys have a great rest of your weekend. If you guys are still here after the credits, I feel like you deserve a little treat. Let's take a look at the lather that we have left over. And I can't get it all out, so we're just going to say it was a 1/4 teaspoon. I know a lot of people think that's not enough shave cream, but I have done videos in the past, and I will tell you for sure that if you can't get 4 or 5 passes out of that, you're doing something wrong. Anyways, thanks for sticking around.